Hi, this is case of talk is about pronunciation. How is pronunciation? Could you know in the comment section below? I want to get to know is how is pronunciation. Always people wrong pronounce. That's why the delay of English speaking like is rotating. How can pronounce? How can pronounce? Don't know. I don't know. If you don't know, don't worry. I will tell you in this video. So pause this video till the end of the hand of brand's complete name. So it's first is one. It's about always people say I don't know how to pronounce improvement at all. Whenever I speak English, I stuck in pronunciation. Somebody can judge me. So nobody judge you if you watch this video. After nobody judge you this type of how can I implement this type of scenarios of them. Don't worry, implement your pronounce, implement your new scenario of type of new things, new platform. So let's start the videos about a brand's name. First one is I saw talk about Reliance. Reliance. About his Reliance. Reliance is could pronounce. Reliance is at all could. Reliance is at all pronounce as could. Reliance. I require a Reliance him. Requires to him is required for me, for my family. And next is one. Amazon, yeah, Amazon. Which one correct? Amazon, yeah, Amazon. My card is Amazon. It's correct pronounce. Amazon, I like it. Amazon protect. Next is one is about Nike. Yeah, Nike. Which one is correct? It's correct is Nike is correct one. It's Nike is make a sound Nike. Nike protect. I love it. Nike protect. Next one is like Tom and Sesson. What is this Tom and Sesson? McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's. Don't cite understand. McDonald's is a McDonald's. McDonald's is correct pronounce. Can make pronounce like Tommy Piker, Tommy Ficker. I don't know which one is correct. You don't know which time is you can listen. Look at here. Tommy Picker is correct pronounce. Tommy Picker. Correct pronounce. Yes, sir. Vodafone is correct. Vodafone. I like it to like a Vodafone SIM. I like a Vodafone SIM. Not a Vodafone. Not Vodafone. How make a sound? Vodafone. Attack Airtel. But right pronounce Airtel. Airtel is correct pronounce. Airtel is pronounced correct. According to the pronunciation, it is pronounced Airtel. Sound. Pronunciation, it is sound correct. So I've told you this pronounce you can't forget it. Pronounce every time, don't forget every time. Like his mobile phones, mobile computer, okay, Apple. My pronounce is Apple. Pronounce it at a cut Apple. I love it. Apple mobile company. Apple. Bill Gates, Steve Jobs is a fan of Apple. I love his man of his founded Apple company. Next is a cycle. But it's a bicycle, and like usually pronounced bicycle is good pronounced. So have told you how pronounce the brand's name. I hope you will like this video. So today, I talk is the every day, every time, finance is a improvement to it of finance. Finance is good, everything is good in life. Only 4 5 finance is you can pronounce a good cat. Never speaking is wrong. See at all right. If you speaking is sound is good, everybody like you, will hire you. If you wanna call in the nephew, it's a car teacher. If you wanna qualify to examination, etc. If you somebody you talk is English speaking, pronounce is wrong. Somebody can judge you. Mr. Find a mistake in your English. If you it's your English is good, but make the most of your pronunciation at all. I don't know how to believe, pronounce. Other people say, how can pronunciation improvement? Don't worry. I'm here. I've told you this video. Follow this channels. Follow this video. I hope you will able to learn, able to new scenarios. I speak sometimes a short is soft, but I don't want to short, but I don't want to speak soft, but suddenly taken out by my tongue. I don't know how can implement my tongue is at all. But I will try to every day I'm working on my tongue twist, tongue. I don't know how is my English, how my English sound is like Hindi sound. I implement at all sound like a pronunciation. I'm working on my pronunciation every day. So I'm sitting my video with you. You can implement your I pronounce at all. Quote scenario. Pronounce is one of the best. Knowledge is the literally knowledge always 10 years thing for you in your English. English is the one of the passionate quality language, but most important when mandatory is pronounce. We have to rotating pronunciation. Pronunciation sound is good, correct. So if you like this video, I hope you will like this video. It will implement in you by this pronounce at words, at scenarios, penance. So I'm a Kirchhoff. I've told you this we will meet tomorrow. It's kind of feasible. It's kind of feasible. Change your pronounce. Kind of feasible. Change your sound. Kind of feasible. Can speak English. Pronounce type of phono. Actually phono. Then you can speak in kind of feasible anything. You can too. You can pronunciation. You can implement at all. I hope you will speaking. If speaking is like a phono, actually a phono type. So every time pronunciation improvement, work on pronunciation. Pronunciation. Ba, ba, ba.